Hello friends, this is the fifth part in our series on analytical reasoning questions. We have already completed 8 set of questions and we will be doing 2 more set of questions in this video. So let's move on with question 9. There are 4 girls W, X, Y and Z. 4 cars Esteem, Matiz, Santro and Tata are at their disposal, not in the same order. Their hobbies are music, dance, painting and theatre, and they live in Pune, Nasik, Solapur and Surat. So here are the conditions given over here. So basically we are having 4 girls, each driving a car and each with a respective hobby and a city where they live. So we have to fill the table accordingly by checking out the conditions. So here are the conditions provided to us. You can write down the conditions in a rough paper and then this can help you in filling the table. So first condition says X and Y can drive Matiz. Second says Y can't drive Santro and Tata. Her hobby is dancing and she is interested in painting. 3 says W can drive Esteem and Santro. 4 says Z drives Tata, Matiz and Esteem and likes theatre. X likes music, W likes music and theatre. Dance programs are conducted in Pune, Solapur and Surat. So there is no Nasik in the dance program. There are theatres only in Nasik and Pune. Nasik has the only painting gallery. Music shows are conducted in Solapur and Surat only. So these are the complete set of conditions which we have been provided, and accordingly we can fill the table and subsequently solve the questions which we have been provided over here. So you can quickly go through these conditions so that filling the table job is very easier for us. Here is the table. So here are the name of the girls W, X, Y, Z, their respective cars and their hobbies, uh, and the respective cities. So W can drive these cars according to the conditions we have filled, right or wrong, to the person over here. Now let's quickly jump to the questions so that it becomes more easier. If W can go to Pune, which car will she use and which show will she watch? From the above table, it is clear that W drives Esteem and watches theatre, and Pune is famous for theatre, so B is our answer. Let's move on to the second question. X and Z decides to go out together. Which of the following statements is or false? According to the table we have to judge. So they go to Nasik for a painting exhibition, they go for a long drive in a Matiz, they go to Surat and watch a play. So according to the table, 1 and 3 are false over here. So that's our answer, D. If only Santro and Esteem are available for transport, who will go for a show in Surat? So it is clear that W uses Esteem to go to see music show in Surat. So it's W, so answer is B. Let's move on to the fourth question. If W and Z decide to go together to Pune and drive turn by turn, which car and which show they will go for? Now W and Z will go by Esteem to Pune to watch theatre. So A is our answer. Now, who can go for a painting exhibition in a Maltese? Why can go for a painting exhibition in a Maltese? So A is our answer. So this was all about this set. So you are familiar with how to fill these sort of tables. Let's move on to the next set of questions. So question 10. There are 6 boys. Uh, they want to go out with 6 girls, not necessarily in the same order. The pairs want to visit movie, beach, a park and play, and two of them want to go to circus. They like different eatables: pav bhaji, chaat, bhel, and pani puri. So pav bhaji and chaat are each preferred by two pairs. Following information is given. So these informations are given again, and we have to fill the table with respect to the conditions provided. So you can quickly go through these conditions and write it down in a rough paper so that it is easier to fill the table. Now here is the complete table with us. Check out if you have drawn it correctly or not. So these are the boys, and these can be the respective pair with girls, places and eatables. So you can check it out. Now let's move on to the first question. If Amit goes with Nidhi, who likes Bhel? Now if Amit goes with Nidhi, then Bhel is liked by Nidhi. So A is our answer. Who among the following visits Park? So Park is visited by Gaurav. So C is our answer. Who must go to a play? Yes, Sujata goes to a play. So B is our answer. Dhruv must eat. So Dhruv is eating pav bhaji. So B is our answer. Last question for this one. Kruri must eat. It's Bhel. So that's our answer. So this was for this video, and there will be more two set of questions in the next video. Thank you.